Hello friend, welcome to Remote Sensing Sathi. Today I will show how to make multi-ring buffer in ArcGIS software. Okay, so I can see multi-ring buffer ArcGIS software over the satellite image, multispectral satellite image. Okay, this is Landscape image of Mednipur. Okay, I can see multi-ring buffer over it. Okay, go to catalog, create in shape file, polygon, select polygon and buffer shape file must have to be in UTM coordinate system or UTM projection. Okay, editor, polygon, after cut the polygon area, open arc toolbox, analysis tool, proximity and multi-ring buffer. Click on multi-ring buffer, give the input polygon, give the shape file in input, uh, multi-ring polygon buffer, multi-ring polygon buffer, distance, from distance 5 km, from there 10 km and 15 km. Okay, I give the 3 just kilometer. After given 3, outside polygon only. Okay, here you can see it is running. You can see it is done. Change the color to be better visible. This is polygon buffer. Okay, now the time for line buffer, multi-ring line buffer. Line, it must coordinate system in UTM projection. After give the UTM projection, cut the area, multi-ring buffer, give the input in line, multi-ring line buffer, distance 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 kilometer, it is running. Here you can see this is multi-ring buffer. This is 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer. You can see the area of multi-ring line buffer. Okay, just right click here, go to the properties, here levels, select distance, level features. You can see the distance. This is 5 kilometer, this is 10 kilometer, 15, 20, and this is 25 kilometer distance. And remove this. You can see the distance of the area in polygon also. Now the point features. Select point, coordinate system must be given in UTM projection. Randomly after give the point, multi-ring buffer, input give the point and output is multi-ring point buffer. Okay, distance 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 25, 30, 35. How much you can give this area after given the now? Okay, now multi-ring buffer is run. Now it is done, but the area is too small. Okay. So for this reason I have to be zoom. I cannot understand, I cannot have idea of the area. So you can change the color from here. Okay. Okay, after changing the color, active level features, you can see you can increase the size of the level features from here. You can see 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, and 15 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 25, 30, and 35 kilometer. This is the point buffer. Applying this type of process, you can easily done or make buffer and multi-ring buffer in ArcGIS software. Thank you for watching video. If you have any question, comment on the comment section and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching video.